Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to do these relaxation doodles. So let's get started. First I used a round object to trace around, and I used a pencil in case you'd like to erase your lines when you're finished. Now using a black marker, I just made a dot somewhere near the center, and now I'm going to divide my circle in half and in half again. And it doesn't have to be exact. And now I'm going to do the same thing again. So right across and right across. Now in each one of these spokes I'm going to draw a petal by making a rounded line, starting at the center and out to the end. Like that. And I'm going to do that on every one of these. Like that. So you could just stop there and use this as artwork. You could color them in, perhaps paint them. So now I'm going to divide these into half. So I'm just going to go right to the center and then back out. And I'm going to do that on each one. Like that. And you could stop here. But I'm going to put a petal between each one. So a petal like this. A straight line and then the two side lines. So a petal, straight line, the two side lines. Like that. And again, you could stop here. On each of these, I'm going to put 3 dots on each of the lines. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do that all the way around. And again, you could stop here. But I'm going to make a dot on the end of each of the petals. Like that. I'm going to put a dot between each petal. Like that. And again, you could stop here. But on each of these lines, I'm just going to make some little lines like this. Like that. All the way around. like that. Now you could just keep going. You could make dots all along here, or you could make little scallops, or you could make scallops along here. But I'm going to stop here. If you like, you can add a few extra lines in the center just to add more dimension. And here are some ways to use your doodles. You could frame it as artwork. You could make some bookmarks, or even some jewelry. You could make pendants or earrings. Please post in the comments below your ideas for how we could use these relaxation doodles. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.